Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your device so Siri can respond reliably. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri and grant microphone permission. This gives Siri audio access and lets you speak hands-free. Make sure your language and region match your accent so recognition improves. Once done, test with a short phrase and adjust voice feedback in settings so Siri talks back out loud. This prevents silent responses during calls or in noisy places. Next, train Siri and personalize how she speaks. Run the Hey Siri setup and repeat the prompts clearly. This builds a voice profile that reduces false negatives. Then pick a voice and accent that you understand best. Different voices vary in pacing and clarity. Make sure voice feedback is set to always or when unlocked depending on privacy. Once you've completed training, try commands with background noise to confirm recognition. If misfires persist, rerun training in a quieter environment. Finally, use active, concise commands so Siri responds promptly. Short phrases like set a timer for 10 minutes or send message to Alex reduce ambiguity. If Siri won't talk back, first check your microphone isn't blocked, confirm do not disturb or silent mode is off, and verify audio output isn't routed to Bluetooth headphones. If still broken, restart your device, and if needed, reset Siri settings and retrain Hey Siri. This sequence fixes most issues quickly. Try each step methodically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.